everyone, Teresa Slack here from the E-commerce Training Academy. Welcome to Academy Shorts, where we share content and give you sneak peeks into some of the training we provide our students in the E-commerce Training Academy for accounting professionals. It is very important when you are working with e-commerce businesses that you are reconciling the sales between the e-commerce platform and the bookkeeping software. We often find business owners and sometimes accounting professionals are not taking that step to verify that the data on the e-commerce platform is matching up to what we are seeing in the book. If you are using an integration app to pick up all of the data on the e-commerce platform and import it into the books, it is a critical step that you validate that those two are matching. Here are 4 errors that we see when reconciling those sales between the books and the platform. Number 1 is duplicate entries. Whether through a glitch or through human error, the data was imported into the books twice. This causes the value in the books to be higher than the total value on the e-commerce platform. Number 2 is missing entries, where either by system glitch or again human error, some of the data was not imported from the platform into the books. This causes the value of sales in the books to be lower than what we are seeing on the e-commerce platform. The third most common mistake that we see is mapping issues with the integration app. Often a owner may choose an integration app like A2X or Dext Commerce or Bookkeep, and they will map the entries into the books. And what that means is they are choosing what accounts in the books those entries will go to. Sales, shipping income, fees, taxes, discounts, refunds, and map all of that into the books. And if that mapping is not done correctly, you could have quite a disaster in the books. And the most common challenge we see is simply human error, where on the e-commerce platform, the business owner has done something incorrectly. Therefore, the integration app is not picking up the data right. It is absolutely critical that you take this step. I had a client who was using A2X as their integration app on their Shopify store. And all the items were coming in correctly, the journal entries were beautiful. And then at some point, she opened a different bank account and stopped using the current bank account to accept her payouts from Shopify. But she realized she needed to change the mapping in A2X. So what was happening is all of the sales data and the payout data was coming into the books, but she wasn't seeing it matching to the deposits in her bank feed in her new bank account. So what she did, she set up a rule that automatically recorded every one of those deposits to sales. Now we had the A2X entries going into sales and we had deposits going into sales. Her sales in the books were double what they should have been. And this had a major impact on the quality of her financial records. Thank goodness we were able to help her fix that and get it all corrected. Reconciling sales is an absolute must. If you are ready to get support on how to reconcile your clients' sales to the books, whether it's Shopify or Amazon, PayPal, take a look at the E-commerce Training Academy. We are here to support you and help you to grow a successful and profitable business in the e-commerce space.